Today is the 1st of October 2023 and I'm going to be making my weekly prediction for Tesla. As usual, we'll go over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll conclude and give the overall prediction for the week. So, we'll start with the monthly charts. The first, we can clearly see we've had a spinning top for the last 3 months. So, the month of July, we had a spinning top. Then here we had a kind of hammer, hanging man kind of pattern. And then here we had another spinning top candle. So there's a clear market indecision so far. However, they are consecutively going downwards, but there isn't anything clear. We can see the RSI is pretty much flat, both the average and the RSI itself. So there's no real directional view that we get from the monthly charts. And there's not much we can predict on. The volume is pretty much the same for all three. However, it was higher on the bullish months. But then again, for the last 3 months, there has been pretty stale volume. So let's head over to the weekly charts where we can see this price action in a little bit more detail. So we clearly saw that last week we had a very significant downwards price action from Tesla, and then this week again we've had not a doji candle, a large bodied spinning top kind of candle. Again, there's no directional view here. So therefore, and the volume doesn't give any indications, neither does the RSI, since the RSI has just gone down and then spiked back up. The average is tilting downwards, but again, that's not enough to give us any directional view so far. So, if we head over to the daily charts, we can see that even the daily charts don't actually give us any insight into where Tesla is going. So we can see on the 25th and 26th, we had a kind of hammer pattern, then a spinning top, and then a red candle which went downwards, broke the support. But then we had a green candle that went above the support, and here we've had a doji candle. So throughout the week as well, there's no directional candles or patterns to give us any serious outlook. So for Tesla this week, before giving the prediction, also just the RSI here is starting to go upwards, but the average is tilting downwards. So we have to see if there's a cross. But as of now, again, there's no clear indication as to where it's going. So we can only set a range. So again, the best range to wait for is the one we had before. If the market breaks above 261.42, then we have a buy signal. And if it breaks below 242.48, then we have a sell signal. And we've kept it kind of wide because this week as well, there's no clear direction. So we don't have any idea as to where the market's going, and the current candle is pretty much in between these two prices. So whichever it does break in will show a significant market sentiment in that direction. Therefore, this is the prediction that we're going for the week. Not prediction, more like trade entry condition. Since there isn't really any candlestick pattern or oscillator pattern or even just price action to confirm that the market is going down or up. Therefore, it's important to set a range, and we'll just keep it at the range that it was before, at the aforementioned values. So again, just to reiterate, if the market goes above this range and breaks the resistance, then we have a buy signal, a very clear one at that, because it will be breaking the mean of the Bollinger Bands as well. And naturally, if it does go below the support, then we have a sell signal. So that concludes the video for this week for Tesla. And as usual, if there's any important changes to this prediction, I will cover them on this channel. But as of now, that's it. And thank you for watching. So enjoy, and I'll see you next week where I can make my new prediction for Tesla.